Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to learn how to make a Christmas candlestick. So this is really an inexpensive Christmas candlestick. So I'm going to show you the materials that we're going to use to make this. No glue candy stick, really easy and really affordable. So one of the materials we're going to use is an Henco pipe. This is a Henco pipe. It's really flexible. See, very flexible. Then we're going to use a PVC electrical tape. So this comes in different colors. It comes in red, it comes in green, it comes in white. So let's go. So this is my tape. So I'm going to wrap it around the pipe first. So I'm gonna take it from here and then get my candy effects all around it. Yeah, that's how it goes. All the way to the end. So we take it all the way to the end. Yeah, so we are done. So this is it. So you can bend just so it has that candy stick effect. Yeah, this is it. We are done. So thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more inexpensive DIYs. Thank you.